Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we were working on that BMW E90 here that we have, a 2008 model, and we just find out, guys, that we actually have a not working tail light, as you can see on this side right here. We have many videos actually, guys, on that BMW, others as well. Check out World Mechanics, amazing videos there on our main channel. And we have a beamer for a build. So in order to replace, guys, the tag light on this one, okay, that's the one we're talking about, you will need to push that thing towards the outside, okay, and it comes out. Okay, I will show you. Okay, like that. And now that spring piece right here, most of the times you need to get something like a really small screwdriver or something like that, and you need to push that thing in. Okay, let us show you now. Okay, almost there, like that. And you can see the tag light is out of there, and that's the bulb. You can see it's burnt, it's black. So we definitely need to replace that one. Okay, that's what it looks like, and we have the new ones right here. You need to make sure you get the right size, because some of them look the same, but they're actually just a little bit different. So we just need to go ahead and install it. Okay, like that. Push it in until it locks really good. Okay, like that. And all we have to do now, guys, we have to go ahead, feed it through the hole there. It goes on this side first, and then it clicks there. Okay, like that. And now both of them are actually working, so not complicated at all. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully the video was helpful, get you out of trouble, not to get a ticket for a tag light, and many more videos coming soon. Don't forget to subscribe. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.